Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to configure a Ubox solar camera. Stay with me, let me show you how the process is being done. First step is to unbox the camera. And here is the camera. So after unboxing the camera, what we do next is to on the camera. So as you can see, my camera is on. There's a red light on it indicating that the camera is on. So after that, what I'm going to do is to insert my SIM card and my memory card. Let me show you where to insert the SIM card and the memory card. This spot here is for both SIM card and also for memory card. So as you can see, I just finished inserting my SIM card and my memory card. And what am I going to do next? I need to click on this reset button, which you're going to hear a sound from the solar camera.
System reset.
So with this process now, my camera is set. And what you need to do is that you must make sure you have a data. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to configure the solar camera. Stay with me and watch the screen so that you won't make any mistake while configuring your own camera. For those of you using an iPhone, just go to your app store. While those using an Android phone, you just go to your Play Store. Then you search for Ubox app. Once you search for the Ubox app, what to do next is to install the Ubox app. Make sure you have data on your phone and also the SIM card insert in the camera. There must be a data in it. Now as you can see, my app is installing. So you are going to wait a little bit for my app to finish the process. Now my app is done, my Ubox app is done installing. So what am I going to do next is for me to tap on this open. This is the app, and this is what is showing: allow Ubox app to use your location. Of course you have to allow it depending on your choice. So mine, I'm going to allow the Ubox, which I've done that. Now you see something showing on the screen. Please select your country. Where are you from? I'm from Nigeria, and of course this is my Nigerian. It's displayed here. So what am I going to do? For those that don't have accounts in Ubox app, so you just register. Click on register new account. They'll request for your email. So you tap in, you put your email. I'm putting my email right now. So I finished inserting. Now I agreed. I have read the process and I also agreed to the agreement. Now I tap in register. This is where you're going to put your password. You must make sure that whatever password you're using, make sure you remember your password, so that once in a while the app will request for your password, and so that you can put your correct password. Now let me enter my password. I'm going to put what I can remember. I'm using my name so that I can remember. And please always try to use one password in all app, anything you're doing, so that you will not mix your password up and at the end of the day you end up clicking on forgotten password. So just use what you can remember. You can use one password throughout all your credential, anything that has to do with password. You can use anyone, so it's your choice. So like mine, I'll be using my name. Okay, thank God. Now we are done with that other process now. Now what are they saying? Congratulations, your registration is completed. Now I tap on this login. Now my email is here and my passport. Please remember to put the passport or the password you're going to remember, like you see mine now. The email I had to put to use, and the password. Now I'm going to tap in login, and after login is now taking me to the Ubox app. This is now the Ubox app. Now what are you going to do next is you add device. Tap on this box. Initially your camera is a 4G device, it's not a Wi-Fi. It's a 4G because it's using a SIM card. So you tap on this 4G.
Insert the SIM
Insert
card,
the SIM
install the
card.
camera,
SIM card is already
install the
inside the
antenna,
camera,
then power
and the
on the
memory card
device.
also is
The
inside the
blue
camera.
LED
You
will
just check
light
the
up.
front of your camera.
After
If
about
the
1
blue light
minute,
is solid,
click
and if the
Next.
blue light is solid, you tap on this box. Tap on this box. Automatically to show the next move, which is tap your next. And after tapping next, now you allow your camera. Now what are you going to do? Scan the QR code. This is you scanning the QR code on your solar camera. After scanning it, you leave it for a while, let it load. So this process now will determine if your camera is going to show and if your camera is not going to show. So you just leave it for a moment while the counting begins. Please bring the extension. Bring this thing for me, Maka. I need the extension. This thing don't off. The camera don't off.
Enter the camera name and address. Using default
Okay.
name and address can
Now
go to the
my
next
camera
step directly.
is done, and this is my device. Is now working. I'll just tap on device, front door, living room, back door, customize, depending on where you want to fix it. But for me, I will just say front door. Is showing the front door. Then I'll tap finish.
Camera installed
My
successfully.
camera is
Fully charge the camera
successfully
at first
installed.
use.
Now this is my camera. This is my camera. I have my camera here with me. I can view anything I want to view with my camera. It's moving. So already my camera has started working because I have a SIM card in the camera and it's working perfectly. And the SIM card has data inside. The data is not compulsory. You do monthly or 2 month subscription. With just 1.15, you can do 2 gig, and it will last you for 1 month.